Hong Kong is a vibrant cosmopolitan city, packed with concrete skyscrapers and busy streets. Living in this concrete jungle, our closest connection with nature seems to be only our pets and city birds. But if you take a closer look at the countryside, you will be amazed by the number of different creatures we share this land with. In fact, we do live and interact with wildlife and have established a close relationship with them. Nature has fostered our creativity and contributed to part of our culture. Take a look at these lively monkeys. Their amusing behavior and facial expressions inspired the creation of the fictional character Sun Wukong, the Monkey King in the classic story Journey to the West. Also, you may be surprised to learn that one secretive nocturnal animal represents luck in Chinese culture. This animal is the mysterious bat, as they hang upside down when resting, and the Chinese pronunciation is the same as arrival of luck. The Chinese thus regard bats as a good luck totem. To learn more about biodiversity, the Agriculture, Fisheries, and Conservation Department conducts regular ecological surveys to record Hong Kong wildlife. For example, when studying the bats, the surveyors enter the bat cave directly to count their numbers. Or they may wait until dusk and set up a bat trap at the entrance of the bat caves. When the bats fly through the harp trap, they are trapped by the strings, allowing the surveyors to identify the bat species, record body measurements, collect oral and fecal samples, and record the bat calls. To study other nocturnal mammals, they install infrared auto-trigger cameras at wildlife hotspots. Allowing surveyors a glimpse of the different mammals residing in Hong Kong. Despite its small geographical area, Hong Kong has a rich diversity of flora and fauna, as well as a very scenic landscape waiting to be explored. Nature is an indispensable part of our everyday life and has formed part of our traditional culture. We need to protect nature and pass on this priceless legacy to future generations.